Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. Do you love to hear stories? Do you love to hear stories? Okay, today I'll tell you a story. I'll tell you a story about a butterfly and some flowers. So, are you ready to hear the story? Now, listen carefully, children. I'll tell you the story. There was a big garden, and in that garden there were so many flowers and trees. But the flowers were very sad. All the flowers in that garden were very sad. They all had no color. The flowers had no color, so they were very sad. They were unhappy. One day, a beautiful butterfly, came to the garden, and the butterfly asked, "Dear friends, hey flowers, why you all look so sad? Why are you unhappy?" So the flowers told to the butterfly that we don't have any color, so we are sad. We don't have any color. The butterfly told to the flowers that, "Don't worry, my dear friends. I have a friend, and his name is Rainbow. He'll surely help you." The butterfly told to the flowers that, "Hey, my dear friends, don't worry. No need to get sad. I have a friend, and his name is Rainbow. He's having so many colors, and he'll surely help you." Saying this, the butterfly flew to the rainbow. The butterfly flew to the rainbow, and he told to the rainbow that, "Hey Rainbow, my dear friend, I need your help. I have some flowers in the garden, but they all are very sad. They don't have any color." The butterfly said to the rainbow that, "I have some flowers in the garden, but they are very sad. They don't have color." And he asked to the rainbow that, "Can you help them? Can you help them?" So the rainbow told that, "Yes, my dear friend, I'll help them." By saying this, the rainbow and the butterfly went to the garden. The rainbow and the butterfly went to the garden. And after that, the rainbow spread his colors over the flowers. The rainbow spread his colors over the flowers. Now all the flowers are looking so beautiful. The flowers are looking so beautiful. They are very bright and they all have colors. So the flowers are very happy now, and they thanked our butterfly. The flowers said thank you to the butterfly. How was the story, children? Did you enjoy it? Did you like it? Okay. Now I'll show you something. Now see this, children. Can you see this picture? Can you see the picture of this rainbow? This rainbow is having 7 colors. Can you count the colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The rainbow has 7 colors. Can you tell me what all are the colors? We call the rainbow colors Vibgyor. Repeat it, children. Vibgyor. So we have 7 colors. V, violet. I, indigo. B, blue. G, green. Y, yellow. O, orange. R, red. So the rainbow has 7 colors, and we call the rainbow colors Vibgyor. Did you understand, children? Did you understand? Now we are going to learn the usage of that is. We use that to talk about a thing that is far from us. We use that to talk about a thing that is far from us. Now, look there, children. That is a bat. That is a bat. Now, we'll do some activities. Now, look onto the board. That is a zip. What is that, children? That is a zip. It is blue. That is a zip. It is blue. That zip is far away from us. That is a zip. It is blue. Now see the next one. That is a dash. What is that, children? That is a man. He is fat. That is a man. He is fat. Now the third one. That is a dash. That is a keg. What is that? That is a keg. It is big. That is a keg. It is big. Now see the next one. That is a dash. What is that, children? That is a van. It is red. It is red. That is a van. It is red. Now see the next one. That is a dash. What is that, children? That is a web. That is a web. It is far. It is far away from us. It is far. That is a web. It is far. So, we have learned the usage of that is. Now, we are going to do an activity. Are you ready, children? Now, look onto the board. Look at the examples. Then, write sentences using this or that. This is used to speak about a thing that is near to us, and that is used to speak about a thing that is far from us. Now we have some pictures here and we have to write sentences using this or that. See the first one, children. What is this? This is a cat. This is a cat. What is the spelling of cat? C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. This is a cat. Now see the second one. What is that, children? That is a jet. That is a jet. What is the spelling of jet? J-E-T. Jet. Repeat it. J-E-T. Jet. Now see the third one. What is this, children? This is a man. This is a man. What is the spelling of man? M-A-N. Man. M-A-N. Man. Now see the fourth one. What is that, children? That is a bed. And what is the spelling of bed? B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. That is a bed. Now see the fifth one. What is this, children? We have learned this. What is this? This is a bib. What is this? This is a bib. What is the spelling of bib? B-I-B. Repeat it. B-I-B. Bib. This is a bib. Now see the sixth one. What is that? That is a lid. That is a lid. What is the spelling of lid? L-I-D. Repeat it, children. L-I-D. Lid. Now see the next one. What is this? This is a cap. What is this? This is a cap. What is the spelling of cap? C-A-P. Repeat it. C-A-P. Now see the last one. What is that? That is a zip. That is a zip. What is the spelling of zip? Z-I-P. Repeat it. Z-I-P. That is a zip. Now we are going to do one more activity. Are you ready, children? Some pictures will pop up on the board and we are going to name them. Are you ready? Now let's do it. See this, children. What is this, children? This is a bed. And what is the spelling of bed? B-E-D. Repeat it. B-E-D. Bed. Now see the next one. What is this? This is a bin. What is the spelling? B-I-N. B-I-N. Bin. Now see the next one. Can you tell me what is this? This is a bib. And what is the spelling, children? B-I-B. Repeat it. B-I-B. Bib. Now here is the next picture. What is this, children? Pan. What is this? Pan. And what is the spelling? P-A-N. Pan. P-A-N. Pan. Now here is the next picture. What is this, children? Tap. What is this? Tap. What is the spelling? T-A-P. Repeat it. T-A-P. Now here is the last picture. What is this? This is a net. And what is the spelling? N-E-T. Repeat it, children. N-E-T. Net. Did you understand? Now, here is a homework for you. Can you see this, children? Fill in the blanks with A, E, or I. So, some pictures are here and you have to fill in the blanks with letters A, E, or I. This is your homework. So, children, do all the homeworks, take a photograph and send it to me in school WhatsApp number. See you in next class. Thank you.